In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get a Fortnite dev account and unlock the Renegade Raider skin like I have right here. This video is insane. You guys want to watch the full entire video, especially because I have an end at the surprise. So you guys don't want to miss out on that because it's actually crazy. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so you guys want to go obviously into the link of the description. So once you guys are in the link of the description, I'm just going to exit out of Fortnite real quick to make it easier. So once you guys are in the link of the description, it's going to say a recognize link right here. So it's going to be two really simple steps. So you guys can just go on here and then subscribe to myself. And then once you have subscribed to myself, you guys want to go back on here and then subscribe to my friend Shadow. If you do not do these steps, you cannot proceed. And also do not unsubscribe because it will confuse the site and then it's not going to unlock the link for you. And you won't be able to restart. So this is your only chance at it. So make sure to get this right the first time. So make sure to subscribe to both of us and it will unlock the link as you guys can see. And it's going to take you to a link right here. So you guys want to press I'm not a robot. And then you guys want to press the free access. And then you guys want to go on to the download Fortnite dev and then press save. If you have to go through some steps, just go through those steps. It's pretty simple and it should take you a minute. So once you guys are there, just double click on the download and then you guys want to press yes. And this is just a link process, so it's completely safe. You guys want to press next, skip all, and then press open. And it's going to open to my Beacon's AI link. So there's a bunch of devs that you guys can choose. You guys, if you know how to do these, you guys can go and do some of these. But for this tutorial specifically, I'm using ReksFN Anywhere Dev. So you guys want to go on ReksFN. And then it's going to take you to their Discord server, which I have right here for you guys. And then from here, you guys want to go into the Discord server and make sure you guys are actually on to the rules and just react to the rules. It's pretty simple overall. And then once you have reacted to the rules, you guys want to go on to the anywhere all platforms how to use. So go on to that one, and then you guys want to press anywhere tutorials. No, don't press anywhere tutorials. My bad. Just go into the how to use because you guys are watching this tutorial. But if you guys are confused, you guys can leave a comment down below. But without further ado, you guys want to go on to the code generator. And then once you guys are there, it's going to be another link for this process. So just go through the same thing. I'm not a robot. Free access with ads. Discover interesting articles. So if you guys had this step before, you guys want to wait around 5 seconds and then close this out. And then you guys want to go on to the discover related topic and then wait. And then you guys want to close this out. Click one of the topics and close this out. And then you guys want to go on to the continue to website. And then you guys want to go on to the download website. So download the website and then press save. And then you guys want to go on to the downloads right here. As you guys can see, you guys want to double click onto the ReksFN. And then you guys want to press yes. I'm going to remove one of this tab real quick. And then it's just going to be another link for this process. Pretty simple overall. You guys want to go on to the next, skip all, and then you guys want to press open. So yeah, once you guys open the link, it's going to take you to here. So make sure to right click and copy this code, and then you guys can exit out. Make sure you have it copied for later use. And then you guys want to go to the ReksFN Anywhere website. It's going to be another link for this process. And then you guys want to press I'm not a robot, and then you guys want to go on to the free access ads. And then discover interesting articles, wait around 5 seconds. And then once you guys are there, you guys want to exit this out. And then you guys want to go discover interesting topics. And then you guys want to click any of these topics. And then you guys want to exit out and then click this one. And then continue to website. And then you guys want to go on download website. And then press save. And then you guys want to double click onto the ReksFN Anywhere website. And then press yes. Now, from here, you guys want to press next, skip all, and then press open. It's going to take you to the Anywhere website. If it asks for a code, that's where you use it. But it didn't ask for me for a code yet. So I'm just going to reload. Yeah, it's not asking me for a code. So just press launch. And then it's going to pop up a username. You guys want to press username to add. So double click on this. Don't close out of this tab. Just wait on here. And then from here, you guys want to go on to the Fortnite. So go on to your account that you want to get Fortnite dev on. So you guys want to press quick launch. Also, if you guys are still watching, comment W and I'll heart your comment. I may even subscribe to your channel. So if you guys want to do that, make sure to comment W down below. But if you guys are here, you guys just want to launch Fortnite and then wait for it to launch. So yeah, depending how fast your PC is, just wait for it to launch. Pretty simple overall. And then you guys just want to go on to the ReksFN Anywhere website. Like I said, make sure you have this username copied. Double click, press copy, and then you guys want to go ESC, and then you guys want to right click, press paste, and then you guys want to add the username. If you don't have him added, I gotta load my music. If you don't have him added, make sure to add it through here, but I already have him added. So I'm gonna join the party, and then right here you guys can see that it's wearing the Renegade Raider. And then basically you guys may be asking, well, how do you put on the skins and where is my skins? Well, it's not actually in your actual Fortnite game. It's basically in the website which you have downloaded, which is right here. So from here, guys, then you guys can go on to the aerial assault. So you guys can basically control basically any of these skins through this website. So as you guys can see, you can basically put any skin. And then before we get onto the surprise that you guys have been waiting for, I'm just gonna put on a couple more skins. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, it basically has every single skin in the game. So you guys can also join your friends with this, and they can see the skins as well. So I think that's pretty cool. And if you guys want more tutorials like this, as I said, make sure to like and turn notifications so you don't miss out. But I think oh wait, let's put on the Galaxy skin real quick, and there you guys go. Also, I do want to mention that you guys also can get new items that have been released in Fortnite. For example, the Patrick Mahomes, which might be in here. Yes, it is. So yeah, you guys can put on the Patrick Mahomes skin. And so that's pretty cool in my opinion. And you guys can put on a bunch of skins right here. So yeah. And then now the moment that you guys have been waiting for. You guys want to see that the tutorial, that the surprise that I've been waiting for. So you guys want to go on to the skin section. And then you guys want to type in TVD. This will give you access to a bunch of skins that will never be released in Fortnite. These are all custom skins, and you guys can really troll your friends with it. Some of them are released, but most of them are not. As you guys can see, it's a henchman skin. I'm pretty sure that's released, but most of these aren't. So there's a few. You guys can just go through. You guys can go through this and just play around with it a little bit. I'm gonna try to find a skin that's unreleased. For example, this is unreleased. This will probably never be released in Fortnite ever. That's the white version of it. So yeah. There's a certain skin you guys can unlock. It's pretty sick. You guys can literally unlock like all these skins, and you guys can join your friends with it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I can't find the skin, but you guys can play around with this. You'll eventually find it. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.